There is inside the natural. Let me start from the natural way how they form. Okay, how this like in the wild. That's in the lake here. What they do that they breed the so the systems are from here. So that's how you have this is how you have them here. Yes, before I'll take you to where you have the experience. That's where we let's do this. I for people have to feed you that and also about somebody explains this decided to we also had the no, we also had the food in this so we will both let's place we want to do with this job, what we can talk to that we have told them access. Okay, so if I when they are matured, okay, I skip one system. You see the time there, we bring them, we hold it up, we bring them, so you can see the very time actually it goes. And as I speak right now, here we've been paid for, like we've come for it already. Oh. So you can see them very smooth. We'll see them 21 days. We are doing more of the tilapia because this area, that's how the demand is very high here in tilapia. Yes, for the catfish here, the one who introduced him, she normally come to buy some few people, but the tilapia every week. We do sales of over 10,000 every week. Okay.
And the 20% how you sell it, is this for fingerlings?
Yeah, for fingerlings. For this small, I'll show you. Not juveniles here. I'll show you. Do you have some here? Okay. Hi. So this is one big fish. Those are ready. The Monday we are paying the and it will take just 2 weeks. Just from here 21 2 weeks, so 1 month 2 weeks we start selling. So whatever we are doing is 1 month. The big bigger. We are yet to pay them. We are yet to put them together like this place for them to produce.
Finally, ask why is it that they are small inside and not they being by window?
No, because we for easy so we so every we jump here, we bring them together, collect the eggs. Every week, collect the eggs in there. So those where actually we have fishing. I'm thinking of expanding it. I'll probably use that. We have a lot of them here. I need about 10 or such. Currently, capacity, what I'm producing every week is about 120,000. Okay. I need to double it.
120,000 the fingerlings?
Yes, fingerlings, 120,000 times 20 pesos every week. it's not this enough. Yeah. So people come and they be like, it's going to be near, but actually there is money in this business. If you get the right people to do it for you, and it calls for a lot of supervision. Me, I do travel, but these my guys, I'm always on them. I'm always on that one. If you mess around, I'm always traveling, checking other places. But still, you need to when they are hatching. This is my main. When they are hatching, I have to do whether I catch it. He had. Okay, so we have some big stuff. Listen, Catfish here as well. We have them here. But what happened is that we had this land the woman who found this land. First of all, did something very small. He had 2 pens and that's some catfish in here. And we also have some tilapia. Yes, we have tilapia.
Inside?
Yes, inside.
Oh, okay.
The mixed good. The advantage is that the tilapia produces eggs for them.
Oh, okay.
but it also has its own demerits. That if you don't take time, so yeah, you have to know the ratio, how to mix the two together. So we have now you won't see the tilapia because the catfish won't even allow them to even come.
Okay.
So,
I had been mixing them together. Normally, you have to let the
tilapia.
be bigger a bit than the catfish.
Yes,
Else
because
they would.
they would. Hey, you can swallow your. But actually, I even